everyone, today I make spicy and Tart chicken vermicelli noodle soup. The tartness is from pineapple, tomato and lime juice. Spiciness from Chile. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. On this channel I share with you everything I know, so please like, share my videos and subscribe. Thank you. So I saute my chicken on a skillet until browning, and then I added the stock. So and then I added the pineapple and tomato, and I cooked until the chicken cooked through about 20 minutes. And I drop in my noodle. This vermicelli noodle just like ancient hair pasta, only this one is from rice flour, more tender than the ancient hair, but the same texture that you might feel in your mouth. Then I season now with fish sauce and black pepper. You see the spiciness from the chili. My level only that one type of chili, but if you want spicier, add more. And that's it, done. Added green onion and cilantro. That's it. I presented into the bowl and you are invited. It tastes delicious. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.